Moringa Magic, unveiling the health secrets of Moringa tea. Hey, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered why Moringa tea might just be the next big thing in your wellness routine? Let's dive into the magic of Moringa Oleifera and uncover some amazing health secrets that this super plant has up its sleeves. First off, what is Moringa Oleifera? Often hailed as a miracle tree, Moringa is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants that are essential for our health. This includes vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, potassium, and protein. Just imagine all that goodness in a single cup of tea. Now, let's talk benefits. One of the standout features of Moringa tea is its incredible antioxidant properties. These antioxidants fight against free radicals in your body, which means they help in preventing cell damage and aging. Drinking Moringa tea could actually help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. How cool is that? But that's not all. Moringa tea is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects. It's like a natural aspirin that helps reduce inflammation throughout your body, which is great news for anyone suffering from conditions like arthritis. Plus, it's a fantastic detoxifier. Feeling a little sluggish? Moringa tea boosts energy levels without the jitters you might get from coffee. It's a smooth, steady increase in energy, making it a perfect start to your day or a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. And for all you fitness buffs out there, this means more energy for your workouts. And here's a bonus for those looking to manage their weight. Moringa tea supports metabolism and fat breakdown, which can help in maintaining a healthy weight. Pair it with a balanced diet and regular exercise, and you've got a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. To wrap it up, whether you're looking to boost your antioxidant intake, reduce inflammation, enhance your energy levels, or support your weight management goals, Moringa tea might just be the beverage you need to add to your daily routine. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Remember, the best results come from consistency, so brew it, sip it, and let the magic of Moringa work its wonders. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and secrets. Stay healthy, stay happy.